All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the third part of this motorbike build. So today I think what I'm going to be doing is putting on belt tensioners for my clutch, and I'm going to be using the pedals from my Zappy bike to put on there. So let's get started. Alright, so I skipped ahead a little bit. I got the pedals on there. I got the two tensioners. There's the back one. I didn't show myself making it, but it was pretty much the exact same as this one. Same dimensions on the arms and everything. So there it is. So you push forward, and that's first gear, and you push backwards, and that's second gear, so it's tighten up that back belt, as you can see. And I put these little notches right here on the arms so that it pushes up on the belt to help relieve a little bit of the curvature of the belt on the shaft. So I kind of want to take it on a test ride. It's ready for it, but I don't have brakes, and I kind of want to take out the governor, so I might do that first. Alright, so as you saw, I took out the governor. I tried putting on the disc brake here, but it just doesn't quite fit on the shaft. It has spots to put on stock brakes, so I'm just going to do that. Order some online or something. Later on, I'm going to go ahead and put on this belt guard that came off the rototiller. So I'll cut it up and make it fit a little better. So other than that, I think it's ready for a test drive. I got my little GoPro right here, so let's go ahead and ride around a little bit. So I'm back from my test drive. A few things went wrong, but the gears do shift, which is my main concern. So as you saw in the video, these belts kind of just fell off and things kind of messed up. And that was all preventable. First of all, I didn't tighten these down, so you can see there's a wobble. You can just pull these off. So these were moving around. This whole shaft was moving back and forth. Not only that, but these linkages down here that hold the gear shifters, they loosen up, which allows a lot more play into the system. So that's why the belts came off. But I am happy with the gears. The gears shift very nicely, and I probably get 15 to 20 miles an hour in first gear, and then 30 to 35 in second gear, which is really awesome. Other than that, there's only a few things I really gotta do before I can kind of break it down and paint it. I need to make the other sides of these pedals. So there's gonna be a side up here so that you can shift with your heel into second a lot easier. I gotta make a mount for the gas tank, and of course the belt guard and the exhaust. I'm gonna redo the exhaust a little bit. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, that is part 3 of the motorbike build. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.